YouTube, so what's up? This is my nephew's Jeep Rubicon, and what we're doing today is we are going to be installing a rock slider for his car. Yeah, just bought this thing from VKS. As you can see, it looks pretty dope, and I'm stoked to be part of his build. I'm going to be welding it on to his Jeep. That's the frame right here, and that's what we're going to be doing. This is a Rubicon Wrangler Jeep, and let me show you what year it is. January 2017. So it's brand spanking new. It's pretty awesome. He torches it off-road all the time, and yeah. So if you're interested in this video, let's go and have some fun. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm prepping the surface here so that I can start welding. After I prep the surface here, okay, this will be the welding points here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to prep the surface underneath here, the frame rails. So here we go. So that's how I prep the metal. I'm going to be welding this, so I don't want the paint here to be part of my weld, because if I do that, it interferes with the weld, and don't want it to be mixed with my weld. If I do that, then basically it messes with the integrity of the weld. Okay. Also grind here. Let's see. Also ground here, okay, around there. You can see that, the reflection there. Poor lighting, but trust me, I grounded every one of them like this, so I could weld it. Okay. Now, once you cleaned the metal here, you want to do this to the other side, the other rock slider too. And that's what I'm going to be doing. But I won't show you that because it's the same project, as it's the same thing. So we'll skip that part. Okay, so this is what we're done. We shaved off, not grind, how do you say it? Sand off the paint here, there, and there, and we're going to be welding it onto the shaved area there, but the bare metal. Okay. So I'll show you what we did to the other side. We're mocking it up to. This is the passenger side rock slider. This is my nephew. Okay, so we've mocked it up like this. What we're doing is he's punching alignment marks there, so we could put it back to the same spot. And so after that, we're going to be grinding the paint off of the frame here. That's what he's doing. He's marking the area that we're going to be grinding. So we're going to use acetone, and I'll be right back. We're just going to use acetone on the bare metal to wipe off all the impurities there and here. Okay, so we are ready to tack this bad boy up, and I'm gonna tap up here first. I'm gonna tap the other side over here and down here. So here we go. All right, so then we're gonna start welding from here to here. Okay, and then we'll weld from here to there. Hey, you want to do the measurement first?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna start tacking the bottom here, and the bottom there, and the bottom down there. And then we'll finalize the weld. We've already measured it. We like the heat hasn't pulled the slider here in, so that's what we want. Okay, so this is what we did. We welded that. Okay. Welded that in. Welded that in. Okay. And the third bracket down there, we welded it in. So we're gonna test it, and I'm gonna give the honor to my nephew to jack up his car. Wait, that doesn't sound right. Okay.
Hopefully we don't jack up that time.
Yeah. Okay, so my nephew is hooking up the jack to jack up his truck. Oh, you might want to tighten it. Yeah. Dang, the Weld travel, man.
Oh yeah. Not even off the ground yet.
Oh, wait. That's all she wrote, huh?
Need a hard jack.
Yeah. Oh, I do have another block.
No, I think it's off the ground.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. Yep.
Oh, it literally is,
yeah.
huh?
Yeah, not too much flex.
Let's see.
Oh yeah, I need to replace those.
Oh, it's not off the ground yet.
No?
Yeah. Still touching. Yeah, let's put a block underneath, another block. Okay, so we decided to go against lifting it anymore because the brake line is stretched to its limit. But it holds, we know that. So yeah. Okay, so we're gonna do the other side. Everything okay?
Yeah. It's just a little tight.
Okay.
I have some. I just need to repair it.
All right. Okay, so now we are going to be mocking this one up, and once that's done, what we're gonna do is we're gonna weld it up. Yeah. Okay. So we got this thing welded in, and it is pretty bad. Oh, sick. It's pretty sick. All right. Wow. Okay. So I'll show you what I did. Okay. So as you can see, we planned it to be this much distance from the rocker panel here. So it's a finger wide apart. This is the weld. I have to do some yoga welding, perform yoga exercise, of which I've never done before because I was laying on my back. If this was lifted up on with a car lift and I could just freehand, it would have been a better weld. But the weld here, it'll stand up to rock bashing. All right. So, yeah, I'm pretty content. It's not the best weld looking bead to weld, but I was laying on my back and getting burned with sparks. You can see the sparks here, the slag coming down on me, my tools. Check this out. Look at that. Look at that. And look at that. Look at my armor here. Ooh, look at that. Wow. So this thing was coming down on me like rain. But yeah. Okay, I'll show you the other side. Okay. Had some fun welding this thing. Let's see. Okay. So that's the other side that the other guy welded. Alright. Okay, so that's that. Had some fun. Well, in the next couple episodes, I'm going to be building a bumper, a rock crawling bumper with a tire carrier for my cousin. So stay tuned for the next couple episodes. And that's that. This is for the Jeep Rubicon. It's a 2017. And this is for my nephew.
Thank you. Super stoked.
Yeah, me too. I'm stoked. Okay.